Novi Sad city centre is full of history, charm, and architectural wonders. Walk with me through its stunning streets, discover fascinating landmarks, and of course, join me for some delicious food. Yes, even ice cream in 1 degree Celsius. Let's explore. Hello and welcome to Cat Couple Chronicles. Today we begin with part 1 of the Novi Sad city centre tour. We are walking through the square of the Newlyweds. It is named after the registry office located here. The beautiful arch is a sculpture called the Gate of Wishes, created by academic sculptor Mladen Marinkov, who also sculpted the wishing well at the same location. We are now heading towards the Name of Mary Church. Located in Freedom Square, the Name of Mary Church is the largest Roman Catholic church in Novi Sad and one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Built in 1895, this stunning church is designed in the Neo-Gothic style, featuring intricate details, pointed arches, and breathtaking stained glass windows imported from Hungary. The most striking feature of the church is its 72-meter high bell tower, topped with a golden cross, making it the tallest church in Novi Sad. The tower's impressive height and design make it visible from various parts of the city, adding to Novi Sad's distinctive skyline. Interestingly, this church is often mistaken for a cathedral, but it is actually a parish church. The original structure was built in the 18th century, but it was severely damaged during the 1849 bombings. The present-day church was reconstructed by architect Georgi Molnar in the late 19th century. Inside, the church boasts beautiful altars, intricate wood carvings, and colorful stained glass windows that depict biblical scenes, creating a serene and spiritual atmosphere. The church is still an active place of worship and a must-visit site for anyone exploring Novi Sad's rich cultural and architectural heritage. On one side of the church stands the Ironman Palace. Originally built in the early 19th century, this palace once had an Ironman statue on its first floor. However, in 1849, a fire destroyed most of the building, causing half of it to collapse. The palace was later rebuilt, and today the Ironman statue stands at the top. This grand building was commissioned by a wealthy merchant, Nicola Tanurdžić, and once housed one of Novi Sad's first cinemas, Rex. After World War II, it was nationalized, but a part of the property was later returned to Nicola's descendants. Before Hotel Vojvodina existed, a famous brewery once stood here, but it was completely destroyed in the 1849 bombings. In 1854, Johann Eigler built an elite hotel, initially named Hotel Yelisaveta, after Empress Elizabeth of Austria. In 1922, it was renamed Hotel Queen Maria, after the Romanian princess of that time. Interestingly, this hotel had electric lighting in 1899, even though Novi Sad officially received electricity only in 1910. After World War II, the hotel was nationalized and given its current name, Hotel Vojvodina. Over the years, it has hosted many eminent personalities. This is the Freedom Square, the heart of Novi Sad. The statue you see is of Svetozar Miletić, a former mayor of Novi Sad and one of the most significant Serbian politicians in the Habsburg monarchy. This stunning neo-Renaissance building houses Novi Sad's municipal institutions and is designated as a protected cultural monument of Serbia. The facade of the palace, especially the window frames on the first floor, features beautiful allegorical figures of Greek goddesses. These sculptures were crafted by local artists Julie Anika and Jovan Kirstner. As we walk through the city center, we pass a popcorn and candy shop alongside a few souvenir stalls. The aroma of fresh popcorn mixed with the chilly winter air is delightful. By now, the hunger pangs have kicked in, so we are heading to our favorite spot, Dobry. In warmer months, you can sit in their outdoor area under a fragrant linden tree. But today we will cozy up inside and order burgers, each with a different flavor.
জলা উপোস একেই বলে শুধু জলা উপোস
I ordered a pulled pork burger with a spicy Texas twist, and as always, it is amazing, especially when paired with a chilled craft beer.
এখনকার নয় কিন্তু এখনকার থেকে বেটার ছিল কাজের চক্করে আর
To top it all off, we are going in for some ice cream despite the 1 degree Celsius temperature. I got a vanilla ice cream from Europa, a local ice cream and pastry shop. It is the perfect sweet ending to our little adventure. That brings us to the end of part 1 of Novi Sad city center tour. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon for the next part. Ciao!